Hi guys, here we've got Apple iPhone, and let me show you how to send invisible messages on this device. So at first, open Messages and just enter the text that you wish to send. And now just tap on Send icon and hold it for a few seconds, and here you will see Send with effect. So to make it invisible, just mark invisible ink, and this is what the receiver will see at first. So let me send it. Here it is. And this is how it is received. Then to read the text, you will have to do something like this. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.